Do you want to embark on a transformative journey into the world of online earning with the top artificial intelligence tools? From dynamic chatbots to content creation wizards, these tools redefine efficiency and profitability in the digital realm. Let's discover how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your online ventures. In today's video, I am going to show you the top 10 artificial intelligence tools for online earning. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Chatbots. This is computer programs designed to simulate conversation with users, often in a natural language. They leverage artificial intelligence and natural language processing to understand and respond to user queries. Operating across various platforms, such as websites, messaging apps, or social media, chatbots serve as virtual assistants, providing information, answering questions, and executing tasks. They streamline customer interactions, offering immediate and consistent responses, enhancing user engagement. With advancements like machine learning, chatbots continually improve their ability to understand context and offer more personalized interactions. Number 9. Artificial intelligence-powered content creation. It is a powered content creation that involves utilizing advanced algorithms, such as open artificial intelligence (GPT) models, to generate human-like written content. These systems analyze vast amounts of data to understand context, tone, and style, enabling them to produce high-quality and coherent written material. Artificial intelligence content creation tools are capable of crafting articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more with a level of sophistication that mimics human language. By automating this process, businesses can save time and resources, ensuring a consistent and scalable content output. Number 8. SEO optimization. This optimization involves strategically improving a website's visibility on search engines. This process includes researching and integrating relevant keywords, optimizing on-page elements like titles and meta descriptions, and creating high-quality content. Link building, both internal and external, contributes to a site's authority. Technical aspects such as site speed and mobile friendliness are crucial for search engine rankings. A focus on user experience and website navigation enhances engagement. Continuous monitoring using analytics helps assess performance and refine strategies for sustained search engine success. Overall, SEO optimization aims to align a website with search engine algorithms to attract organic traffic and improve online presence. Number 7. Email marketing automation. It is a marketing automation streamlines and enhances email campaigns by using software to automate various tasks. It involves setting up predefined triggers and workflows to send personalized and targeted emails based on user behavior or specific actions. Automation tools such as MailChimp or Salesforce Marketing Cloud enable businesses to nurture leads, segment audiences, and send timely relevant content. This improves engagement and conversion rates. Automated emails can include welcome sequences, follow-ups, and abandoned cart reminders. Analytics and tracking features help measure campaign effectiveness, allowing for continuous optimization. Number 6. Data analytics. This involves the systematic examination of raw data to extract meaningful insights and inform decision-making. Utilizing statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning, data analytics helps uncover patterns, trends, and correlations within large datasets. Businesses leverage data analytics to understand customer behavior, optimize operations, and make data-driven strategic decisions. It encompasses various techniques including descriptive diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI assist in presenting complex data in understandable formats. Number 5. E-commerce personalization. It is the practice of tailoring online shopping experiences to individual users based on their preferences, behavior, and demographics. It involves using data such as purchase history and browsing patterns to provide personalized product recommendations, targeted promotions, and customized content. Personalization enhances user engagement satisfaction and the likelihood of conversion by presenting relevant offerings. E-commerce platforms employ machine learning algorithms to analyze user data and predict future preferences, enabling dynamic adjustments to the user interface. Number 4. Social media management. Social media management refers to the strategic handling of an organization's online presence across various social media platforms. It involves creating, curating, and scheduling content. as well as engaging with the audience through comments, messages, and interactions. Social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer facilitate efficient content scheduling and monitoring. The goal is to build brand awareness, increase engagement, and drive traffic to the organization's website or products. Analytics tools help track performance metrics, enabling the refinement of strategies based on audience behavior and preferences. Number 3. Online advertising. This is the digital promotion of products, services, or brands through internet channels. This includes various formats such as display ads, search engine marketing, social media ads, and video campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow advertisers to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, maximizing the reach of their campaigns. Pay-per-click models enable businesses to pay only for actual clicks on their ads, optimizing budget allocation. Advertisers use analytics tools to measure key performance indicators, assess the effectiveness of campaigns, and refine strategies for better results. Number 2. Stock trading algorithms. This is an algorithm of computer programs designed to execute and automate trading strategies in financial markets. These algorithms analyze large sets of historical and real-time market data to identify patterns, trends, and potential trading opportunities. By utilizing mathematical models and predefined rules, these algorithms can make split-second decisions to buy or sell financial instruments like stocks. High-frequency trading algorithms, for instance, operate at remarkable speeds to capitalize on market inefficiencies. Risk management and execution speed are critical considerations in algorithmic trading to optimize returns and minimize losses. Number 1. Virtual assistants. It is an artificial intelligence-driven software application designed to perform tasks and provide support, often through voice or text interactions. Examples include Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistant. They assist users with various functions, such as setting reminders, answering queries, and controlling smart home devices. Virtual assistants utilize natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user commands. Their integration into devices like smartphones, smart speakers, and other gadgets enhances convenience and accessibility in daily life. Continuous advancements in artificial intelligence technology contribute to the increasing capabilities and versatility of virtual assistants, making them integral to modern digital experiences. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.